First day in New York. The day we decided to book all the outdoor things. The weather.
My hair is wet.
I have a hood, but I'm still damp, very moist.
Why did you have to use that word? You could have picked any word.
We're looking like a little bit of a ground rat at the moment, but this is the original torch from the Statue of Liberty. Pretty cool. Hello.
Hello.
Going up some stairs.
Like 170.
347 I thought it was.
I don't know.
7 minutes worth of stairs. Do you want to come with us? Level 2. What wonderful weather. It's so beautiful. It's a little bit rainy. We're actually wetter here than we were at Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
Which is a little weird, but you know, what else? Whatever. Moving on. So, Statue of Liberty was wet. Just a little bit. I'll just not me. Just a little bit. It was pretty cool. It was wet. Yeah. And now we're off to do our next outdoor activity of the day. Ground Zero. Why did we plan this? Well, we couldn't predict the weather in what we did predict, so yeah, I'm gonna blame that. Bye. On the way here I was complaining how cold and wet it was, and then you get to a place like this and you look around and you look at all the people from all the different places that have come to remember, and you see all the names of all the people that were lost that day, and your problems like being cold and wet, they don't seem important anymore. They're trivial issues that really don't matter. You have your life, you have your family, your friends. It's just sad. It really makes you think. So it finally stopped raining, but we had to come back to get dry clothes because denim and rain don't really mix well. I took off my shoes and oh man, it looks pretty appealing, doesn't it? Okay, yours are just as bad.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get changed and then we're just gonna go explore a little bit, get some lunch. It's like almost 3, but it's lunchtime for us. We keep eating lunch so late.
We never left Seattle time.
Basically. So we're dry again, thank God, and going to find some lunch. We're going to Chipotle, which I'm really excited about. But why? Because it stopped raining now that all the outdoor things that we had booked are done. Answer me that. No. Not fair. No? Oh, not that bad. So good. How's your Chipotle?
It's good. And the Coke is also good.
How was the chips? And the guac?
Very unchip-like.
They're chips. They're not fries.
Fry-like.
But they're
I
chips.
forget that in America, chips and fries are different, whereas in Australia, both can mean either.
It's so cute. I can't. I just turn it. I love it. Stop filming. Kiwi, don't touch it.